Welcome to the future of infrastructure development using virtual reality and extended reality. This Indian startup is using new gen tech to give hassle-free solutions to infrastructural development.
We are demonstrating live here virtual reality and extended reality. We are talking futuristic, we are talking about metaverse, and that's what we want to go ahead with. We have connected the virtual world with the real world.
Engineers, architects, and project managers can use the VR to take a virtual tour of the building that are still under construction. This helps them identify issues before they become real-world problems.
See, we are navigating inside a facility. This is one of the infrastructure which is right now under construction stage, and we can have a real-time virtual view of this particular facility. So right, if you can see here, so that's the advantage that the building is not yet constructed, but you are able to visualize that building in that particular 3D environment. So he is navigating inside the facility now. Kind of clash detection, even before the site is being constructed, it can be identified.
Extended reality can be used to visualize design changes in real time.
We have captured the live value, so there are few sensors which we have installed here, and those sensors are communicating with our management station, and that particular data also we have captured in the virtual environment. Right from here, just by a click of a button, you can navigate between the different layers of the building, like a plumbing layer or a HVAC layer or a architectural layer. Now that a person who is with a headgear on can actually utilize that particular headgear for giving any kind of command also to the system, and can fetch any kind of real-time values given a command just from his VR set in a field. So from there, the possibilities are like this, that a person with a headset on or a VR gear on is experiencing the live values in the field. He can do the gesture recognition to fetch the live values, and from there itself he can give the commands.
These technologies help in planning, designing, and managing construction projects more efficiently, reducing errors and saving time and money.